Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be showing you a painting that I made. So I actually wanted to do a complete tutorial, but it gets slightly challenging to record as well as do it. So as much as I can put it in voice notes, I will. And I started this painting a week ago from today. That is a week ago from the day I'm shooting this intro and uploading it. So I hope you enjoy because I love this painting. It's a huge one. Cutting my own self because I talk too much, and this is midnight stuff. So drinking water, painting water, paints, brushes, canvas board, and extra pasara to mess the place. The canvas is 18" by 24", so it's a big one. For white I use texture white just because I have it. And satisfying part, I'm doing this in a green theme, so I have Artis acrylic colors in permanent green light, turquoise green, and this bottle which is not focusing but it's light green. It's an old one, so I'm just using that. For brush I'm using the Taklon flat brush in the size 12. It's a huge canvas, so I'm taking a huge chunk of white. Like I said, I use texture white. You can use normal acrylics, that's okay. I'm going to take a huge chunk of white because we'll be putting very little green in that. So now I'm taking out all the green from this because there's quite a lot. And that's how you're going to put it at the side. Like if you're planning to merge it with another color, you're not going to directly put it into the white. I'm going to put it at the side and it's a huge mess. But that's okay. And then I'm going to mix it, because it does make a difference. Like you need to take it little by little rather than just putting the whole thing and mixing it at once. So see, you can take little water, like depending on the consistency, because texture white is really thick and Artis acrylic colors in general are very thick, so you need to keep putting water little by little. You need to understand by yourself while mixing it that what is required, like is there more water required, and then you keep mixing it. So satisfying part 2. Now that my paint is mixed well, what I'm going to do is take the color and put it on the canvas in a very rough manner. I showed you this in my previous video as well. For the base layer, you always need to take it really light. You don't need to focus if the patches are getting covered. See, just look at how I'm doing it. So it's very rough, very random. You can take even smaller patches or you can do it vertically, whatever suits you. And this is a very light hand that I'm doing. Whatever I have put on the canvas for now, I am just filling up that space because there is quite a lot inside the brush also. So that comes out on the canvas when you do this thing. Okay, like I said, it's challenging to film the whole thing. So what happened here is the green that I had made before, I put that, and then I used the green that I had in the tubes, and both the colors were totally different. So this is the shade that has come, which I would have anyways done for the background. And you can see 1 a.m. show off. I am now tracing the... Okay, it is a 7 horses painting and I am now tracing that. This is my reference which I made before, showing off laptop sticker, and not sure if you can see the figures, but it's a very rough outline, very rough outline. So that is what you need to do when you're doing something like that. Wash your brush if it is too over full. Please remember that. Make it damp, and I'm now taking again a huge chunk of white, but this time I am not mixing it immediately. what I'm going to do is I have taken three shades, the two green tubes that I had and white, and that is what I have done here. I started step by step from the top to make the shades. Once that layer was done, then with white I have made clouds. So yeah, for the figures, for the horses, I'm taking white, and you can see how lightly I am putting it on the figures. That is what we need to do. This is the base layer that we are creating, like we did for our background as well. So there you go. I have done only two horses, so what I did is I started shading one horse at a time rather than putting white on all of them. So when you're doing it simultaneously, it gets merged also really well. So I did two horses at a time, and like one and a half, okay, whatever. Ta-da! Lol. So this is the horses that I have shaded. I did the sky above, I did them the running mud down, and now the faces. This is a no black painting, okay? What I did is in the greens I mixed brown. Whatever dark you can see is a brown mixed in green. There is no black used in this painting. Add a note always whenever you're sending it to someone. This was a gift that I was sending to someone, and you'll see that towards the end. Showing off the time again. Packing time. I stuck the note at the back of the canvas, which looks super cute, and wrapping it in 10,000 layers of newspaper because that's my specialty. I always wrap 5 to 7 times. Gift wrapping done well, good job. And reaction time.
वो लांबो लेटर છે ચશ્મા આપો
Ooh. Wow. She made it? Ooh.
તમારા માટે
That's so nice.
ધ્યાન છે पीछे का छोड़ दो, आगे का दिखा दो क्या
Wow. Wow.
बोलो क्या बोलवो है तो
No, this is amazing. And how does she know this? Like, I actually took even horse as a this thing, no? If
I
that's
don't know.
what, yeah. But horse, I've been looking for horse because horse speak about like growth and running. You know. This is too good, too good. I think she's live on the phone. Okay. I'll call her. This is very nice. Very beautiful.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This whole painting was a midnight series, like 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. So I hope you had some takeaway. To my artist friends, I hope there was a takeaway even through the voiceover. I know there is. There must be one point you must have taken away. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.